Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Minecraft installer stuck on Windows is updating. So if you ever encounter this problem, first you need to make sure that you have run this Minecraft.installer.exe file as administrator and check if the installer progress has passed the Windows is updating message. If this didn't work, then all you have to do next is you have to go to your Windows settings. So you need to make sure that you have updated your Windows. So click check for updates and install all available updates. You have to go to your Windows update first or check for updates. Now tap on open, and if you see that you need to update your Windows, you need to check for updates and install all available updates. After that, you can restart your PC and try running the installer again. If this one didn't work, then the last thing you should do is you have to go to your Microsoft Store, go to your Start menu, and then you have to look for Microsoft Store. What you're going to do is you need to sign out first from your Microsoft Store and then log in or sign back again. Another thing is that you can also search for Minecraft, reinstall or uninstall Minecraft first and then reinstall it again. So after using this method, I hope that you fix Minecraft installer stock on Windows is updating. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.